Rüppell's fox, also called Rüppell's sand fox, is a fox species living in desert and semi-desert regions of North Africa, the Middle East, and southwestern Asia. It is named after the German naturalist Eduard Rüppell. Rüppell's foxes primarily inhabit sandy and stony desert areas, including sand dunes, rocky deserts, and semi-arid regions. They are well adapted to life in arid environments with limited water sources. Rüppell's fox, also known as the sand fox or the Rüppell's sand fox, is a species of fox that is native to the sandy and arid regions of North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. The average lifespan of Rüppell's fox in the wild is estimated to be around 6 to 8 years. However, with proper care in captivity, they can potentially live longer, with some individuals reaching up to 10 years or more. Rüppell's fox is a small-sized fox, with adults typically measuring around 45 to 55 centimeters in length. The tail adds an additional 20 to 30 centimeters to their overall length. They usually stand about 25 to 30 centimeters tall at the shoulder. The weight of Rüppell's fox can vary depending on factors such as age, sex, and availability of food resources. On average, adult Rüppell's foxes typically weigh between 1.5 to 3 kilograms. However, weights can range outside of this average, with some individuals weighing slightly less or more. The fox has a sandy or pale yellowish-gray coat, which serves as excellent camouflage in its desert habitat. The fur is usually short and dense, which helps protect it from the extreme temperatures of its environment. The fur color may vary slightly depending on the subspecies and the specific region where they are found. Rüppell's fox has a relatively small head with a pointed muzzle. It has large, rounded ears that help dissipate heat and enhance its hearing abilities. The ears are often reddish-brown or grayish-brown in color. The eyes are usually yellowish or amber. The fox has a slender and agile body, which allows it to navigate through its desert habitat. It has long, thin legs and well-developed paws with fur covering the soles, providing protection from the hot sand. The tail is long and bushy, often with a black tip. Rüppell's fox has several adaptations that help it survive in its arid environment. Its large ears help dissipate heat and regulate body temperature. It has thick fur on the soles of its feet, providing insulation and protection from the hot sand. The fox also can conserve water, obtaining most of its moisture from its diet. Rüppell's fox is known for its remarkable speed and agility. While there is limited scientific data on their exact running speeds, they are generally considered to be swift runners. Foxes, in general, are known for their agility and quickness. Rüppell's foxes have adapted to their arid desert habitat and have long, slender legs, allowing them to move swiftly across the sandy terrain. They can run at high speeds to chase prey or evade predators. However, specific information about their top speed is not readily available. It's worth noting that the speed of any animal can vary depending on factors such as individual fitness, terrain conditions, and the purpose of their movement. Rüppell's fox is primarily carnivorous and has a diet that consists of a variety of prey species. Rüppell's fox feeds on a range of small mammals, including rodents such as gerbils, mice, and rats. These small mammals form a significant portion of their diet. They also consume birds and their eggs when they are available. This may include small birds found in their habitat. Insects are another important food source for Rüppell's fox. They feed on a variety of insects, including beetles, grasshoppers, and insect larvae. Rüppell's fox occasionally preys on reptiles, such as lizards and geckos, particularly in areas where they are abundant. While Rüppell's fox is primarily carnivorous, it may also consume some plant material, such as fruits and vegetation, especially during periods when prey availability is low. Rüppell's fox, being a small predator itself, faces predation from various larger carnivores and birds of prey. Predators such as African golden jackals, striped hyenas, and African wild dogs are known to prey on Rüppell's foxes when the opportunity arises. These larger carnivores can overpower and hunt the foxes, especially if they are in vulnerable situations. Several species of raptors, including eagles, hawks, and owls, pose a threat to Rüppell's foxes. Birds of prey with sufficient size and hunting abilities can capture and kill the foxes, particularly when they are in open areas. While not a natural predator, humans can also pose a threat to Rüppell's foxes. Habitat loss due to human activities, intentional persecution, and accidental deaths from vehicles and traps can impact their populations. Rüppell's fox follows a breeding pattern that is generally characterized by a monogamous mating system and an annual breeding season. Rüppell's foxes typically have a breeding season that occurs during the winter months. The specific timing can vary slightly depending on the region, but it is generally from December to February. Rüppell's foxes are known to form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. Once they form a pair bond, they tend to stay together for several years or even for life. The pairs engage in mutual grooming and territorial defense. During the breeding season, the male and female engage in courtship behaviors, which may include chasing, playfulness, and vocalizations. Once they have established a bond, they mate. After successful mating, the female Rüppell's fox undergoes a gestation period of approximately 50 to 60 days. This period represents the time between conception and birth. Typically, a litter consists of 3 to 5 kits, although litter sizes can vary. Both parents are involved in raising the offspring. The female gives birth to the kits in a burrow, and they are initially blind and helpless. The parents take turns caring for and protecting the kits, providing them with warmth, grooming, and regurgitated food until they are old enough to venture out of the den. Rüppell's fox kits start exploring outside the den when they are around 1 month old. They gradually become more independent and develop hunting skills. At around 4 to 6 months of age, they typically disperse from their natal territory to establish their own territories. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.